Hey y'all, in my last tutorial I showed you how to make one of these small velvet hair scrunchies. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the thicker ones. You can see a comparison in size here. To start off, you're going to tie your yarn to your hair tie. Tie it once and then go back and tie it again. Once you have your double knot, make sure the tail is off to the left side. Then you're going to take your crochet hook and go into the circle, come up behind and grab some yarn and pull the loop through and then chain 2. Be sure to hold the hair tie and the yarn together so you can crochet over it. I just kind of hold the yarn to the hair tie with my thumb and then hold the back here with my middle finger. And then go into the circle and around and double crochet. Continue to double crochet around until you almost run out of that piece of yarn there, and I'll show you what to do from there. So now you just have a little bit of your yarn tail left. I kind of just push these double crochets to the side a little, scrunch them up, and then I do a few more double crochets. And then I cut that yarn. And then you'll continue doing the double crochets around. Continue working your double crochets and I'll show you what to do when you run out of room. So now we just have a little bit of room left around our hair tie. So what I do is I take the double crochets and kind of scrunch them up a little to get some more room and continue doing double crochets. You can continue to keep scrunching them up. It's just up to you. The more you scrunch them, the more wavy your scrunchie is going to be. This one I didn't scrunch that much. And see how it's kind of flat? This one I scrunched a bunch. And it's pretty wavy. So it's just up to you, just personal preference. So I'm going to push these aside one more time and continue double crocheting. So now I'm out of room. I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. Insert your hook, grab the yarn and slip it through and slip it into that loop. Now we're going to put single crochets around the top of this. So chain 1 and place a single crochet in that same space there. And then single crochet in each stitch around the top. Sometimes with this yarn it may be a little hard to see, so you can just feel with your fingers and find that hole there. And just keep going around and single crocheting. And that gives it more height. So keep putting those single crochets in the top of those double crochets, and I will meet you around at the end. Alright, I'm back around at the end. I have one more single crochet. I should have mentioned earlier that if you have trouble finding your stitches, to put a stitch marker in the first single crochet that you made, so then you know where to stop. So you're going to slip stitch to your first single crochet, and then we'll finish off here. So grab some yarn, pull it through that loop, leaving a little bit of a tail, and cut your yarn. See the size difference just putting the single crochets at the top? So now you'll take your needle and you'll weave this tail in and out of the top of those single crochets. So just go in and out here. And pull it through and then weave in and out again. And then pull through and cut your yarn. And then pull it to make sure that yarn tail doesn't pop out anywhere. And there it is right here. Just kind of cut it a little. Give it another tug. You may just have to do it a couple of times. All right, and it's done.